love someone too. And the person I love, I lost. He was a boy. Just a boy. When I was a young girl. When I was 16, I had made the discovery. Love. All at once and much too completely. It was as if a blinding light had turned on something which had always been in half shadow. That's how it struck the world to me. But I was unlucky. Deluded. And there was something different about the boy. A softness, nervousness, tenderness, which wasn't like a man's, although he wasn't the least bit effeminate looking. Still, that thing was there. Come to me for help. I didn't know that. I didn't know anything until after we had married and we'd run away and come back. All I knew was that I had failed him in some mysterious way and couldn't give him the help that he needed, but couldn't speak of. He was in the quicksand, clutching at me. I wasn't helping him out. I was slipping in with him. I didn't know that. All I knew was that I loved him indubitably, but not in the way that could give him the help that he needed, or to help myself. And then I found out. And the worst way for anybody to ever find out, by coming suddenly into a room which I thought had been empty, but wasn't empty, and had two people in it. The boy I married, and an older man who he had been friends with for many years. Afterwards, we pretended like nothing had been discovered. We drove out, the three of us, to Moonlight Casino, drunk and laughing. We danced to Vara Sylvia. Suddenly, the boy I'd married broke away from me and ran out. At a shop. I ran out. All did. All ran about the lake to see the terrible thing at the edge of it. Suddenly someone grabbed my arm. Don't go any closer. Come back. You don't want to see. See what? The boy I had married took the revolver and put it in his mouth and fired so that the back of his head had blown away. It was because on the dance floor, unable to stop myself, I suddenly said, I saw! I know! It disgusts me. And then the light which had shone on the world had been turned off again. And never for a moment since then has that light been brighter than this kitchen. And